You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, everyone, and happy holidays. It is Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and it's mystery box time, guys. This one is Cricut's Season of Gifting mystery box. Now, I will say, it couldn't be the season of gifting without Cricut giving us a new cutie, and we do have a new cutie in this box, but we will save him for the end. First up in this box, we are going to get a roll of the Everyday Iron-On, and this is in the Kelly green, which is that perfect green for those Christmas projects. You can throw this on a t-shirt, a hat, a tote bag, a cosmetic bag, some shoes, a wine bag. You can make wood decor for decoration with this. You can throw iron-on so many things. We are also going to get the gel pen set, and this is going to be the peacock set. So in this, we're going to go ahead and get an aqua, a purple, a black, a rose, and a teal color. These markers are the 1.0, and these will fit in your Explore and your Maker machines. So go ahead and put these in your machines and let the pens do the writing, literally. And we're going to get some premium vinyl in this mystery box. This is the Brights sampler pack. So we're going to go ahead and get 6 12x12 sheets, and they're actually going to come in the colors here. So you're going to get just like the rainbow, the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, and then a forest green also. Yay! We got some sparkly stuff in here. So we're getting a roll of the Cricut Iron-On glitter in the gold color. So we're going to get 12 by 24 inches of the sparkliness. This is perfect for those holiday projects I was talking about earlier. Think of New Year's is coming up, because who doesn't love a little sparkle on New Year's? Or go ahead and make yourself something with this. Add a little sparkle to something you love. Just make whatever makes you happy. Next up, we are getting some cutaway cards, guys, and this is the Pastel Sampler. So in this, you're going to actually get 14 cards in total. You're going to get 5 tulip, 5 powder blue, 4 whispering blue, and then you're going to get 14 of those silver matte holographic inserts. And these are a little different than the insert cards. These they're not actual inserts. They are inserts, but they're backers. So they go ahead and stick to the back of the inside of the card, and then go ahead and cut away and then reveal that beautiful holographic material. And these are actually going to be rectangular cards, not the square that it shows there, because these are the R10 cards. So for you Joy owners out there, these will fit in your Joy, and they will also work with the Explore and the Maker machines. And we got some more shiny in here. So this is the Adhesive Foil Metallic in the gold color. So you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of the sticky foil that think of like aluminum foil, but in gold, thinner and sticky. So you go ahead and add accents to things. You can add it to wall decor you're making. You can go ahead and add it to a card. My daughter just used some of this on a pot for her plant to decorate. Well, that sounded kind of funny. Her plant did not decorate. She decorated the pot for her plant. Now here's something in the box that makes a perfect gift to give, a wine bag. As you can see, our Santa Melody there's holding her decorated wine bag up. That's a image I made recently, the Let's Get Jolly. But think about throw on some of the iron-on, the glitter iron-on in the green, and you guys have a gift to give to a friend, a neighbor, a coworker. If any of you are participating in the 12 Days of Making Cricut has going on, this would be a perfect item for Day 5. Day 5 was make your neighbor a gift. We'll go ahead and talk about that more at the end of the video. You know, I was not getting through this whole Christmas video here without using one of my gnomies. Because if you know me, you know I love my gnomes. We're actually going to do that as a giveaway. We're going to have you guys guess how many gnomes are in my house. And the one who guesses closest wins a prize. So that'll be coming up in one of our lives soon. With Melody, we counted flamingos. With me, we count gnomes. Well, it might help if I told you what's on this page. I got so distracted by the gnomes. So you guys are going to get the foil transfer sheets. These are the 6 by 6 inch sheets, and you're going to get 24 sheets in total. So you're going to get 8 each of the gold, the silver, and the rose gold. Now these do work with the foil transfer kit, which if you don't have that, go ahead and pick that up because it's 50% off right now at Cricut. Use this to add those beautiful foil accents in your cards. If you guys seen recently, I just did a Cardinal Christmas card where I used foil transfer on it, and it makes it so pretty. Look what Santa brought for us, everyone. That's right, it's a new cutie. This one is the True Vermillion Cutie, which, to be honest, I didn't even know what vermilion was, but it's a bright red holiday color. It is a brighter red color than any of the cuties I currently have, with just a little tiny bit of orangish to it, I'd say. Just a perfect holiday red, really. So that is everything that's in the Cricut season of gifting mystery box. And because we have our new cutie, it is access only. So if you're not accessed, you can go ahead. There are links below to join to purchase access, and there's links below to purchase your mystery box. The price of the box is $59.99. But it's not because you have to be access to buy, and you get a discount with your access also. Quantities are limited, so go ahead and purchase it soon. Like I said, links are below to purchase in our video description. We want to wish all of you guys a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever it is. We hope your holidays are filled with joy. We thank you for watching us. Hope you'll give us the like and the subscribe. We have many things going on right now with Christmas coming. Cricut has the 12 days of deals, so each day there is a new deal released. And they also have their 12 days of making, where each day there's a theme to it, and you do a project. Make it, tag it, and then share it for a chance to win $700 to spend at Cricut.com. So I was talking about that wine bag would be perfect for day 5, which was make something for a neighbor. There's also been make an ornament, make any holiday card, which I will be having a video come out soon of an ornament that I made for my sister. Cricut currently also has 50% off all their materials and accessories and lots of awesome deals on their site, so make sure to check those out. We will be announcing our December giveaway soon, so please watch for that because you will want to enter. We're going to have 2 lucky winners for this. If you'd like more info on the 12 days of making, there are links below in the video description. Also, that will take you to the info page so you can find out all about that. But just think, what could you get with $700 to spend at Cricut.com? If I was to get it right now with these sales, I mean, that is a craft room full. And to all of our supporters, we are going to have an ugly Christmas sweater party on Zoom. So if you're a member of our Patreon, the Melody Lane Patreon, it starts at only $2 a month. You get access to over 1,000 projects, and you get access to this 24/7 crafting Zoom that's going on all the time. And you can make friends in there, craft in there, make lifelong friends, actually. It's a great place. You can craft, be safe in your home, but still be social and make friends. It's a wonderful place to be. So if you want more info on that, go ahead and go to patreon.com/melodylane. We will be announcing the date for our ugly Christmas sweater party, but that should be a great time. I can't wait to see everybody's sweaters. You can buy a sweater, or you got a Cricut so you can make a sweater. It don't have to be a sweater. It can be a t-shirt. But we're going to have some fun with it. From all of us here at Melody Lane Inspired, we hope you all have a craftastic holiday filled with love and joy. And can I just say, this picture here with me and Alex as reindeers is cracking me up. We got Melody here as our Santa, because even though she's not here with us, she is always guiding our way. And we are sending out our absolute biggest thanks to all of our awesome admins and supporters and our sponsors. We truly could not be where we are without any of you. You guys deserve the best holidays ever. So thank you again for joining us today, and happy crafting, everyone. Bye.